BitGame are in a strategic partnership with TrustNote, with Achain, with Matrix, with Elastos, and many other platforms to build games for the blockchain world. And I really like that idea. However, guys, before we continue, I will want to make this full disclosure that this is a sponsored content, and I will be compensated in tokens. So I would just want I just want to be honest and transparent with that. Okay, let's move on to what BitGame is seeking to do. If you look at in the mobile world or in the web world, or you're talking about the PC world, if you look, there are many content that are really at the forefront. If you look at this, we have the communication. You have platforms like the Facebook, you have Twitter, and then you have the Instagram and the rest of them. And then if you look at the other part, we have the information. So you have YouTube, you have Google, right? And then this is the second one. So you have the communication, Facebook, Twitter, and the rest. You have the information, Google, YouTube, and the rest. And then another part of the internet is the commerce. So you have the AliExpress, you have the Amazon, you have the Best Buy, Light in the Box, and the rest of them. And then if you look again, you have the era of the gaming. So you have communication, Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of them. You have the gaming, you have the information, then you have the commerce. If you look at all this stuff, they all boil down: gaming, entertainment, information, they all boil down to commerce. Everything is seeking for attention. And if you watch well, this whole structure is not structured in a way where those who are creating this content are adequately or richfully compensated. That is one of the things. Now, if you look at the normal world, like this is Play Store now, those who create games most times are not adequately compensated, right? What about if we create a system where those who are creating games will have the real reward for their games, and then those who are actually consuming these games will be given an incentive in some way. So that is the future of where the world will be. It will be a decentralized world where people, it will be like almost a democratic world where those who are creating this content and then those who are consuming this content will be rewarded in a way that is actually very good. So let me give you some of the stuffs that this partnership will be all about. So partnering with Matrix AI, they will be building an artificial intelligence exchange where people who have tokens, whether in the gaming industry, can actually list their coin, and they would not have to bother about things like liquidity, things like high listing fees and all that. Okay, let's see who is, okay, this is the alliance. So this is the alliance that they're actually working with to bring the BitGame system to the masses. And I actually like the idea. Okay, let's see who is behind the team, because you actually look at the team. You have Ericsson, the founder of CU. You can actually check their link there. Let's see who is this guy. The professional, your internet professional, now focus on blockchain game. And this is activity. His master's software engineering. Okay. Lead programmer on backend server. Founder and CEO of Beijing Blowway Network. Founder of Palm to Play Inc. Shane He, Alessandra Wood, and then these are the advisors that are advising them. You have the founders of Elastos, the CEO of Matrix AI, the chief scientist, as you can see from this picture. And then you have the CEO of TrustNote. So these are the partners that will be working with: Achain, Elastos, Matrix, Hyperledger, TrustNote, and a host of others. So let's talk about the ICO. When is it starting? So the ICO will be starting in less than 2 hours. You can actually get in at 1 cent. So you can actually get whitelisted, and you can go through the frequently asked questions. You can join a Telegram group, and you can actually reach to them. So guys, what is my take on this platform? My take on this platform is, if you actually look at the white paper, the white paper is really detailed on how they actually seek to implement that. Whether it comes from the technical side of it, whether it comes to the front side of it, the white paper is very, very technical. And then the team is really solid in my opinion. And then the partnership they also have, it's really solid in my opinion. So guys, however, none of this content constitutes a financial advice. Thank you.